I'm Sue Gorman, and Misty here. And if any of you out there need a personal injury lawyer, Mike McCasey is the best, absolutely the best. I've had lawyers before for various needs, and Mike is the best lawyer I've ever run into. He's honest, he's straightforward, he's personable, he keeps you informed of everything that's going on, and he's excellent in court, and he won my case for me, and he puts a lot of work into everything he does, and he is the best. So if you need a personal injury attorney for anything that comes up, go to Mike McCasey.